Hello students, in this video we will discuss some problem from exercise 26C. So in 26C question number 5 is given here. Write the slope of the line which is parallel to x-axis. Suppose this is x-axis and this is y-axis. And the line is given parallel to x-axis. So for finding the slope, firstly you have to find out the value of theta. What is theta? Theta, inclination of the line. So here theta is 0, inclination of the line is 0 because this line make an angle 0 degree with x-axis because these two lines are parallel. So theta is here 0 degree. So how to find out the slope? Slope is equal to tan theta. So that means tan 0 degree. So you know that tan 0 degree is equal to 0. Now go to next one. Question number 2 is given perpendicular to x-axis. That means this line. So this line make an angle 90 degree with x-axis, positive direction of x-axis. So inclination of the line is 90 degree. So how to find out the slope? Slope is equal to tan 90 degree. That is not defined. Now go to question number 6. So question number 6 is given here. For each of the equation, find out the slope and y-intercept. So we know that equation of a straight line is, general equation of straight line is y is equal to mx plus c, that is slope intercept form, where m is the slope and c is the y intercept. So if I convert this equation of the line in this form, then you can easily find out the value of slope and y intercept. Look at here. There is given x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. From here you have to find out the value of y. Then y is equal to minus x minus 5 divided by 3. It will be minus x by 3 minus 5 by 3. So here slope is minus 1 by 3. If you compare this line with this line, then in the portion of m, here is given minus 1 by 3. So slope is here minus 1 by 3, and in the portion of c, here is given minus 5 by 3. So y intercept is minus 5 by 3. So in this way you can solve left of the problem in question number 6. Now go to question number 7. So question number 7 is given here. For each of the equation given below, find out the question number 7 is given here. Find out the equation of the line whose slopes are given and y-intercepts are given. So look at the first one. So we know that equation of the line is y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope of the line and c is the y-intercept of the line. Here both are given. M is given and c also given. M is given here in first question 2 and c is given here 3. Just put the values here, you will get y is equal to 2x plus 3. So this is our equation of the line. Now go to question number 8. Question number 8 is given here. Draw the line 3x plus 4y is equal to 12 on the graph paper. From the graph paper, read y-intercept of the line. So what to do? Firstly you have to draw this line. So you can easily draw the line because we already learned in our previous exercise how to draw a straight line. So firstly you have to draw this line, then from here you have to find out the y-intercept. So how to find out the y-intercept? That means y-intercept means the distance between the origin and intersection of the y-axis and the line. So this is the y-intercept. If this is in the positive direction of y-axis, that time positive happen y-intercept. If this is negative direction of y-axis, that time this will be the negative happen, the y-intercept. So here you can see that the distance between origin and this intersecting point is 3, and this is present in the positive direction of y-axis. That means y-intercept will be plus 3 happen. So in this way you can solve depth of the problem in this exercise. Thank you everyone.